there's audio on here. Yeah, you can sing. Okay, we're on the upper deck. Here's the lower deck. The water is so pretty. Really? There's you. Doing panoramic. I'm going all the way around in a circle. I know, I could use a boat like this, right?
It would make a day off, like a day off, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Party boat.